We'll guide you through how to turn off or on silence unknown callers on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So silencing unknown callers can be useful because if you go and get a lot of calls from people you don't know or spam calls, this can go and stop them from ringing and disturbing you because you may think it's an important call and go and stop doing something to try and answer it when it turns out you don't even know who it's from. But in some cases, somebody may be trying to call you who is unknown. For example, a doctor or some sort of other important call, and you can end up missing it if it's silenced. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and change this setting, and of course you can go and change it later. And I'll also cover how you can go and turn this on temporarily easily and turn it on and off. So to go and get started, you can go and open up settings. Then for the first way, you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for focus, and you can come in here. So we can go and set this up when you're using Do Not Disturb. So if you drag down in the top right of your iPhone to open the control center, you can find focus and this moon icon. So you can tap this and Do Not Disturb is now turned on. We can tap turn it off. And so what you can do is come into Do Not Disturb and you can go and find people in allow notifications, and you can come down to phone calls. And so what you can do is mine set to everybody, but we can go and set it to allowed people or contacts only. So if they're then an unknown caller because they're not saving their contacts, they're going to go and be silenced when Do Not Disturb is turned on. So that will turn it on. And what you could always do is go and select everybody. So they'll still come through even if Do Not Disturb is turned on. So you're turning off the silence unknown callers there. So that is how you can do it with Do Not Disturb. But to do it in general across your iPhone, scroll all the way down to apps. Then you want to go and scroll down and we need to go and find the option for phone. So scroll all the way down for P. You can always go and search for it and find phone. Then you need to go and scroll down. I have to blur it as it's showing my number. And you can come down to screen unknown callers. So at the moment I've got this set to never. So therefore silence unknown callers is turned off here, but we can go and select silence. So then calls from unsaved numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail and displayed in the recents list. So you can go and open up the phone app and you can go and press recents at the bottom to go and see those unknown callers which were silenced. And you can also go and switch on unknown callers. So missed calls and voicemail from unknown callers, we move to the unknown callers list. So, or you can have that turned off as then you can just go and see them in your recents. Otherwise, in a separate list. It's going to be up to you.